students, in my last video I had explained the irrational numbers, what are irrational numbers and how to represent the irrational numbers on the number line. Today I will explain the exercise 1.2. In that third problem, show that root 5 can be represented on the number line. So how to represent the root 5 on the number line? First, you draw a number line. Okay, this is the neutral point 0. So this is 1 unit or 1 centimeter 1, and the next one is also 1 centimeter. So this is 2. Okay, so from 0 to 1, this is the 2 unit, that is 2 centimeter. Okay, from 0 to 2 is a 2 unit of length or 2 centimeter. Now draw the perpendicular line of length 1 unit or 1 centimeter. Remember, draw the perpendicular line of length 1 unit or 1 centimeter. So this is the neutral point. This is represented by Y, O, and this is represented by A. This is 1 unit. Okay, now joining the O and B. Okay, so this is 2 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter. We know that Pythagoras theorem. So this is the 90 degree. So the side which is opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse. So according to Pythagoras theorem, OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. Okay, this is the Pythagoras theorem. You should remember that what is Pythagoras theorem and how to remember how to write the Pythagoras theorem. So OB square is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. Okay, so here OA square is 2 square because OA is 2 centimeter. So this is 2 square. AB is 1 square. The 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1, 4 plus 1 is 5. This is OB square, but we want OB. So OB is equal to, shift the square to the RHS, it will become square root of root 5. So this is OB is root 5. Now take a compass. You should take a compass. Okay, now take the compass of radius OB. Okay, now take the compass of radius OB and draw a arc. Draw a arc, and this arc is cut on the number line. Okay, this point is called what? Root 5. Remember that you should take the compass, and the compass length should be what? Radius of OB. You should remember that the compass of length, it should be radius of OB. Its distance should be OB, and draw a arc, so which is cut at the number line. This point is called what? Root 5. Remember that. So this is the how to represent the root 5 on the number line. Okay.